Namaste Sabko, welcome to our channel. Today we'll be going to discuss the problem number 15 from the ISI MSTAT PSA 2024. Suppose x1, x2, x3 are three random variables such that x1, x1 plus x2 by 2 and x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 are IID standard normal random variables. Based on the above information, choose the correct statement from the option given below. This is not possible. This is not possible. It means that x1 plus x2 by 2 and x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, that is given that they are IID standard normal random variables, that is not possible. Then the second option is that x1, x2, x3 are identically distributed normal random variables. The third option is that x1 and x3 are independent normal random variables. And the fourth option is that x1, x2 and x3 are independent normal random variables. Now, let us assume that y1 equal to x1, y2 equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y3 equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. So we can write it like this using the coefficients of x1, x2, x3 in the matrix format. Y curl equal to ax curl, and y curl follows normal, multinormal, multivariate normal, zero curl, comma, I. Because it is given that y1, y2, y3 are IID standard normal values, that's why we can write it as multivariate normal basis. Now x curl equal to A inverse y curl. So basically y curl equal to Ax curl, just we are inversing A. So x curl equal to A inverse y curl. So B y curl, because we are assuming that A inverse to be B. Now we are finding out the covariance of x curl comma x curl. So basically covariance by curl comma by curl as x equal to by curl. Now this is the formula that covariance by curl comma by curl equal to B into covariance of y curl comma y curl into B transpose. Now in the earlier slide we have seen that y follows multivariate normal 0 comma I. So variance of y is equal to I. So Bi B transpose, which is equal to B into B transpose. And the value of BB transpose is this. So how will we calculate BB transpose? So first find A inverse because A is known. And then A inverse is known, it means B is known, and then B into B transpose, so we can easily find out, and that is this is coming out. Now see that covariance x curl comma x curl is not in this format, scalar multiple into identity matrix. It means that x1, x2, x3 are not identical and not independent together. It means that x1, x2, x3 are not IID together. Now we need to know this theorem is that let y curl follows multivariate normal mu comma sigma and define u equal to ay, b equal to by. Then u and v are independent if and only covariance of uv is equal to a sigma b transpose equal to 0. So covariance of x1 comma x3 is basically equal to sigma 1 3, which is 0. See, it is 0. So earlier we have stated that x1, x2, x3 are not jointly IID, but here we found out that x1 and x3 are among themselves independent, as sigma 1 3 is 0, which is option C. Hare Krishna.